Number 11, know what valence electrons are and be able to calculate them for a given element. I just throw on my laptop is good. So what are valence electrons? How do you know which ones are valence electrons? Yeah, electrons in the outermost energy level. So it's not necessarily the last electrons that go in, because if it went back to fill up a d or an f orbital, they might not be valence electrons, even though they're the last ones to get filled up. But valence electrons are any electrons in the highest or outermost energy level for that atom. And so again, if you look at the period or the row that an atom is in, if it's in row 4, then you know it's valence electrons or any of them that are in the 4 orbitals, 4s or 4p. So your shortcut for valence electrons, because valence electrons are what you show on the dot diagrams. In fact, I'll add that. So valence electrons are shown on dot diagrams with one dot equal to one electron, one valence electron. As we'll find out in the next chapter, the valence electrons are the ones where all the action's going on. So how do the group numbers give you a shortcut to your dot diagrams? The group numbers are the numbers that go across the top of the table, over top each column, the up and down groups or families. So they're numbered 1 through 18. So in group 1, guess how many valence electrons there are? 1. In group 2, there's 2. But then you get stuck, because when you get to group 3, the table dips way down. That's because it's dropping back to the energy level before to fill up the d orbital. So you get stuck from 2 to 12. You stay at 2 electrons. But then when you get to group 13, it's 3. Group 14 is 4. Group 15 is 5. So group numbers, I'm going to say, give you a clue about valence electrons. Because it's not a perfect match, but it's pretty good. So group 1 equals 1 valence electron. Group 2 to 12 equal 2 valence electrons. And then group 13 equals 3. Group 14 equals 4. Group 15 equals 5. Group 16, 6. Group 17, 7. And then group 18, that's the magical group because they have 8, which we'll talk about in the next chapter. 8's great. That's what every atom would like to have, is 8.